Want to know your Tracfone data balance? It's quick and easy. You have three primary options: using the My Tracfone app, visiting the Tracfone website, or dialing Shear 777 from your Tracfone phone. The My Tracfone app, available on iOS and Android, provides detailed breakdowns of your data usage, including remaining data and expiry date. Visit tracfone.com, enter your phone number and PIN for detailed balance information. Dial 777 your Tracfone phone for an automated voice update, which is especially useful if you don't have internet access. Tracfone uses Verizon's network for accurate real-time data tracking, with updates occurring every 5 to 10 minutes during active usage, ensuring you have a clear picture of your consumption. Not all Tracfone plans offer data rollover. If you're on an eligible plan, like a Data Max plan, unused data carries over to the next billing cycle, up to a specific cap. Pay-as-you-go plans typically do not have rollover. Data usually expires 30 days after activation or at the end of your billing cycle. Rollover data may expire after a longer period, such as 6 months if unused. To maximize your data, use the Data Usage tab in the My Tracfone app to monitor your consumption habits. This can help you identify data-heavy apps and adjust your usage to avoid running out. Also, keep an eye out for Tracfone's Data Boost add-ons available via the app if you need more data.